I'm Sandy Asaro at Star-Lite Stained Glass Studio in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. You're in my workshop now. I'm in the process of putting an angel together for the Christmas holidays. I'm going to show you a quick technique as far as wrapping the glass in copper foil, and then we'll solder it together a little bit and go from there. This is the copper foil. It has an adhesive on one side, peeled back paper. So you start it off by sticking it down, splitting the glass in the middle with copper on both sides, and then just kind of eyeballing it all the way through, folding it down, pressing with your fingers as you go, and then just keep on going around the entire piece, making sure you're in the middle with the glass. And this is thin enough you can just tear it with your fingers. And then you crimp the sides over the edge on both sides. So once you have all your pieces wrapped that's going in your project, you set it up, everything to where you want it, if you're happy with the way everything fits. Make any adjustments that you need. And then what you have to do to clean the foil so the solder sticks is to use a flux. I put mine in a spray bottle. It just makes it easier because if you go with a brush, you're going to be moving all your pieces around, and then you have to touch them with your hands and getting the flux on your fingers. Just tack all the pieces together so they don't shift around on you when you start to do the main soldering. So you sweat the entire piece. We're just going to do one section here. Do the edges, get that solder all the way down around it. So you would do the whole thing like that. Once that's done, you would go what's called beading, and what I do is roll the iron tip on it's called a chisel tip. You bring it over on its corner, and then you would bead a finished bead of solder, so it's a nice decorative finished solder work on your piece. Then it gets washed, patinaed with either a pewter black or antique copper finish. And we'll get to see that a finish with the copper. I have one up at the retail store. I could show you a completed piece. So this is the angel now that it's been completed, washed. This has a antique copper finish on there, cleaned and polished to hang in your window. Makes a beautiful window ornament. You can see these, and we have a series of different angels, plus custom-made lampshades, whatever you like. You could also check us out on starlitestainedglass.com.